subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has launched the successor of the last year launched Redmi 11 smartphone as Redmi 12, with quiet premium-looking design. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Redmi 12 features a tall 6.79-inch Full HD Plus display, with 90Hz adaptive refresh rate support, and it has a hole punch cut out at the top center, that carries an 8-megapixel selfie shooter, with f2.1 aperture. The rear panel of the phone houses a triple camera setup on the rear, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, along with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with 120-degree field of view, and there is 2-megapixel depth sensor, with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Redmi 12 comes powered by MediaTek Helio G88 chipset, paired with Mali G52MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 13 out of the box, based on MIUI 14 skin on top. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it is IP53 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, FM radio, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168.6 by 76.28 by 8.17 millimeters, and it weighs around 198.5 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Redmi 12 has been priced in Thailand for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 5,299 Thai baht. And the details for the other storage options are yet to know by the company. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in midnight black, polar silver, and sky blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Redmi 12 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.